You know, I'm still quite shaken from that last experience. I'm still processing things, but in the midst of that, oh, I'm looking at this weather out here. You know, and it is storming. Let me open this door. So there's that much snow. And if you look up at the light there, looks like there's a lot of. It's cold out here. It definitely is, and it's snowing. Sometimes God allows you to experience things. Sometimes He allows you to see things, to open your eyes to see others who are hurting and in pain, to have mercy upon people. To provide shelter from the storms. That is what the Lord does. The Lord provides shelter from the storms. To feed the hungry, to clothe the naked. To shelter the poor wanderer. I know. I mean, I'm thirsty right now. I ran out of water. I guess I could eat some of this snow, or at least pick up a handful. Oh, you know what I could do? I could pick up a handful of this snow, pack it in this heater here. Let's see how much. I got 33%. Okay, let me go ahead real quick. See if I can gather up some snow and heat it up. Melt it down. Could melt it down. Or make a cup of tea with it, maybe. I don't want to go too far. I just want to fill my container up Oh yeah, it's cold out there, bro. It's cold out there. So I just scooped up in my little kettle here some snow. I'm thirsty. Ran out of water. Let's see what this does here. There we go. Okay. So I am using my Anchor box there. It had 33% battery. In my little kettle here to melt some snow. I'm not sure if you can see that snow in there. Got some snow in there. That other kettle down there, which my brother-in-law got me